Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I went ahead and used a palette that I got in my Ipsy bag. I also used this little Naked Cosmetics shimmer. I wanted to go for something a little bit like smoky, a little bit darker without overpowering my face, because a lot of times if I use like blacks and things, it just makes my eyes look super small. So yeah, brown, smoky little look today. But I'm gonna go ahead and jump right in this video. My daughter's standing right on the other side of this backdrop playing with her toys, and some of them are musical, so I have to keep cutting things out. But if you'd like to see how I created today's look, then just keep watching. was it. I do want to go ahead and try and find some more of these little Naked Cosmetics shimmers because I think they are super pretty. So I didn't get as many videos up this week as I was wanting to. We got our second COVID shots on Saturday, and it just kind of like Sunday I had a really bad migraine all day long, and then Monday and Tuesday I just didn't have motivation to do anything really, so that kind of sucked. But we are officially fully vaccinated, like myself and my husband. So other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe so that you can see future videos I'll be putting out multiple times a week here on my channel. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.